Plan a productive day with 3 clear phases. Transform chaos into clarity using a step-by-step guide across night before, morning of, and day itself. 1. The night before, clear your mind. Begin with a brain dump to reduce anxiety and prepare for restful sleep. Identify your most important task. The single task critical to making your day successful. Highlight it to focus your energy. Choose 2 to 3 supporting tasks to keep your list achievable and focused. Schedule your most important tasks during peak energy periods for maximum impact. Select your top 3 supporting tasks. Keep your task list focused by choosing important tasks that complement your most important task. This increases the chance of meaningful progress each day. Avoid overloading your list to maintain achievable goals. 2. Time block your calendar. Schedule your most important tasks during peak energy times and set appointments for tasks, breaks, and meals. Prepare your environment. Lay out clothes, prep lunch, and organize your workspace to reduce friction in the morning. This avoids decision fatigue and smooths your start to the day. A prepared environment sets you up for success. Phase 2, the morning of. Setting the tone for a successful day. 3. Protect your focus. Avoid emails and social media for the first 60 minutes. Begin with hydration, movement, meditation, or reading. Start your most important task work session. Use focused intervals like the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes work, 5 minutes break to boost intensity. Build momentum with deep work-focused sessions. Maintain commitment to your top priority task. Phase 3, during the day. Staying on track to ensure progress. Batch process distractions. Check emails and messages only at scheduled times to maintain focus throughout the day. Avoid constant task switching that reduces productivity. Stay intentional with focused work periods. Honor your energy. Take scheduled breaks to hydrate, walk, and ease into easier tasks when energy dips naturally. Listen to your body to maximize daily productivity. Balance focused work with restorative pauses. Adapt and triage unexpected tasks. Decide if new tasks are more important or can be deferred to stay intentional and focused. Maintain clarity by reviewing priorities regularly. Stay flexible while keeping sight of your main goals. 4. Evening shutdown ritual. Stop work at a set time, review accomplishments, note interruptions, and plan your top tasks for tomorrow. Summary. By following these phases, you ensure your key priorities are done, balancing breaks and focused work for meaningful progress. Use this guide daily to turn busyness into meaningful progress and design your most productive day.